Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I am part of Informatica Global Customer Support Team. In this presentation, we will be going through integrating analyst service with Hadoop to run, review, profile, scorecard. Moving on, today's agenda is what is analyst service? Changes need to be done on the analyst service in admin console. Prerequisites to integrate analyst service to run profile, scorecard, demo, summary. Moving on. What is Analyst Service? The Analyst Service is an application service that runs the Analyst tool in the Informatica domain. The Analyst Service manages the connections between the service components and the users who log in to the Analyst Service. The Analyst Service connects to the data integration service that runs profile scorecards and mapping specification. The Analyst Service also connects to a data integration service that runs workflows. Moving on. Changes need to be done on the analyst service in admin console. By default, analyst service has a default value of info distribution directory defined as services shared Hadoop CDH 513 at the JVM command line options. This you need to change according to the distribution and version of the cluster which you are using. From 10.5.3 onwards, the distribution directories need to be installed using integration package manager. Once you download the right distribution, you need to update the same in the above property. This I will cover in the demo part. Prerequisites to integrate analyst service to run profiles or scorecard. Sorry, Hadoop based objects. Creates a JDBC connection for profile warehouse database. Since JDBC is not supported with Spark for sources and targets, an internal switch will take place which converts the JDBC profile warehouse connection to JDBC v2. The JDBC v2 connector requires the jar to be placed in InfoHome connector's third-party JDBC v2 so that it could be loaded at the runtime. For example, if you are using Oracle database, then you need to copy the Oracle JDBC jar from the InfoHome services shared third-party com Informatica data direct Oracle jar to InfoHome connectors third-party Informatica JDBC v2 Spark. And after that, you need to restart the DIS. Let me go to the Informatica server machine. Now I am inside the Informatica server machine and this is my InfoHome path. Now we need to first we need to go to InfoHome connectors third party Informatica JDBC v2 Spark. Like we need to copy the jar from services shared jars third party CD services shared jars third party com Informatica data direct. Let's do ls here. Here you're having so many jars. Like based upon the data direct jar which you want to use, you need to copy that one. Now I want to use com Informatica data direct, com Informatica data direct d Oracle. If you're MySQL, SQL Server, Postgres, based upon the other, you need to copy it to InfoHome connectors third party. Let me go back to InfoHome connectors third party. Inside that Informatica JDBC BBC. Let's do ls here. Info.jdbc v2. Inside that Spark. Here I have already placed the jar and performed the restart as well. This you need to configure. Demo. Okay. Let me log into the admin console and create the analyst service. Now I have logged into the admin console. You need to go to actions, new analyst service. Name you can give test analyst. And you need to select the license and the node name. Click on next and port how you can give a different one or the same one. And then you can specify the other properties. You need to select the model repository service. Let me log in to the other mission and I will show you here. Choose new analyst service test license node next MRS. You need to give the username and password. Data integration service you need to select. Click on next and you can click on finish. As you can see, when it is created, it by default have the DINFO Hadoop property set to 5 and 3. This you need to change your respective distribution which you are connecting, and you need to perform the analyst service recycle. Moving to the presentation. You can go through these articles for more details. We would like to hear from you on our social media handlers. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.